stability. And then you're gonna pour it in. Ready? All right, here we go. Testing. Oh, there's some leakage. Some leakage. Some did make it. Let's go get the rag. Okay, so now we're gonna pour it again. This time with the bonus here. This. A little bit of leakage. It is stuck. So let's drain it. This is just invention time. That's what we're doing right now. How do you get it to go when you don't have a coffee filter? That's the next challenge. All right, we've poured it all the way up and it is dripping. It's kind of like you have the Zen water filtration system and it takes 2 days for a quart of water. So we'll get back to that. We're gonna pour it into here, and no, we didn't clean it. We're gonna just repurpose it and use it as a marinade. This one seems to be working a lot better. Whoa. Than the other one. Now we can compost. So this one's still a very slow pour, and it's just it's dripping. And this one worked great, and we got a lot of coffee. Added the Khalifa's almond milk creamer and brown sugar, and it tastes really yummy. Vegan cold brew coffee. All right, so we're ready to cut the bottle now. Let me take this off. That's your finger. Okay. And then what you're gonna do is take the lighter. So now you have this. You want to keep it covered so that it's not open, but you want it big enough so you can pour. Hot. That seems pretty good to me, don't you think? Alright, so now we're gonna find something to pour this into. We need tape.